this brings us to the closeout of our impromptu Star Wars films homepage entry level Drupal Outlook overview, whatever. Um, it is just scratching the surface because there is a lot more. Just from the last video with the views, like we could go on for days. I wasn't kidding, and we will. I think we came in around 2 hours maybe on this course at the moment. This is my first draft, and I look forward to some feedback. And I left my Discord server invite link and a link to my YouTube page and the resources for this lecture in Udemy or Udemy, Udemy, however you say it. So look for me on social media and my Discord. I'm usually Jones Russell 42, like on Twitter or whatever else is out, LinkedIn. But yes, I look forward to hearing back from you and the second draft of this course, which will take in your feedback, and we will get it to the highest quality and highest standards. And be sure to check out my YouTube page because I'm going to be practicing videos for the next course, which I'm going to start drafting tomorrow. It's getting late here tonight. It's a good time to finish. So we barely touched on Drupal, like I said. The structure we covered mostly well. There's a lot more to do, a lot more to see, a lot more to play with. I encourage you definitely, make something similar like this. If not, follow right along. Give yourself some extra exercises like, well, you probably don't have the CSV test up here, but why not make an about page and actually make a link for it up here that says about. Maybe get rid of this RSS feed block. Rename the site. I'll give you a hint. It's in configuration. We have multiple powered by Drupal down here. Why not try to make a copyright, a simple copyright block in there, and go play with the rest of the menu, like into people, create some users, try out the permission roles and settings. We haven't touched on it yet. Like I said, I may go back in version 2 and do it then, but again, it gets intermediate pretty quick with people, and I think you can at this point figure it out yourself how to create a user, delete a user, disable a user, go through the settings. For the most part, a lot of Drupal is self-explanatory. Really, all the topics we covered so far were some of the more basic, but the core concepts that and terminology especially that you have to get used to. I know I didn't say Node a lot, but Node is definitely key, and there's other stuff like entities, and there's a whole bunch of stuff I'd really love to I can keep going and going and going, but we have to stop sometime, and that's it. Cutting out.